Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about seal method in the object constructor. So what it does is it prevent new properties to add it to it and make all existing properties as non-configurable. So this is what it does, but you can't still be changed the values properties until it is writable. So what we're gonna do is create a const object and name it as object1 equals to an property. Just name it as property1, and now what we're gonna do is paste 42. Oh, sorry about that. What the heck, Asad? What are you doing? So, and yeah. So when we do that, we will make an object. Now use the object dot seal past object 1, and after that what we're gonna do is object 1 dot property 1 equals 33, and log it on a console. Object 1 dot property 1. So when we do that, it's gonna give you 33. Now you can, as I said, you can change the values of the property. It doesn't matter, you just changed it to 33, so it doesn't matter at all. But you can't remove any of this, like use the delete and object dot property 1. If you try to delete it, it's not gonna happen, because let me show you. Command plus C, command plus C, command plus B. When you do that, it's gonna show you 33. So you can, after sealing an object, you can write to it, it doesn't matter at all, but you can't delete that property. So this is what gonna happen if you do. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.